Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CBR500R lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike. This bike is in beautiful condition. It's got some really cool upgrades, including that reflective wheel tape, great safety feature, adjustable levers, a great sounding Kaufman's exhaust, fender eliminator, integrated tail light, only 23,000 miles on this beautiful CBR500R. Come on by, make your lightweight sport dreams come true for just $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.